My name is Azalea and today I'll be making a digital pen. First of all, you will need a pen, a highlighter or a marker that is already used and has no ink because I won't recommend you to just buy a new marker and waste all the ink. Second of all, you'll need tin foil, you will need a tissue paper and water. First of all, you'll need to take out all the ink and wash the pen so there's no ink that will leak out from the pen. Then you need to dip the tip in the water. You will need to add foil because if you don't, it won't work. Then put the tip here. Don't put it all the way just in case there's more ink inside and it will be very hard to take it out. And the foil needs to touch the tip of the pen like this. Then you'll wrap the foil around and you can use it just like this. And if you want to use it again next time, you'll need to dip it in water and straight away dry it and use it. If it's dry, you cannot use it because the water and the foil takes something from your fingers and makes the pen work. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you can like and subscribe. Bye.